Yoga for digestion may help relieve digestive issues by decreasing stress, increasing circulation, and promoting gut mobility. In this practice, we will do lots of bends and twists so to massage your internal organs, regulate bowels, and decrease bloating. Hello friends, I'm Sevina. I want you to pick up an intention for today, something small and achievable, something like, I will take better care of myself today, or I won't be that critical of others. Can you do that? Great. Let's start. Place one of your hands on your chest, the other on your belly, and start breathing. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. And again, inhale. Think of a balloon. Your chest and belly inhale and they expand. Exhale, they shrink. Inhale, expand. Exhale, shrink. Inhale, expand. Exhale, shrink. Now interlace your fingers, stretch your spine, and now bend down until your arms reach the ground. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, come down. Inhale, stretch, 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 stretch. Exhale, come down. Now walk your arms to the side and twist the upper chest. Change to the other side. Twist the upper chest. Good. Interlace your fingers, stretch. Bend down. Now we will flex and extend the spine. Inhale, arc your back. Open the chest. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, arc. Exhale, round. Inhale, arc. Exhale, round. Now start this circling motion. Move your torso in a circle so to massage the internal organs and help the digestion. Good. And now bend your right leg. Knee in the center, left foot outside of your knee. Hug your right knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist the upper chest. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. Now swing with your arms and let the elbow come on the outside of your knee. Now change sides. Same thing to the other side. This time you're hugging the left knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. And now a little bit more difficult. Good. Elbow on the outside of your knee. Good. Now change your position. Go into Navasana or boat. You can do full boat. If you want, you can bend your knees. Doesn't matter. Now knee to elbow. As many as you can. Excellent. Now flex, extend. Flex, extend. Keep your balance. Cross your legs, transition into a tabletop. Now inhale, flex the spine. Exhale, extend. Inhale, arc. Exhale, round. Belly button in. Inhale, arc. Exhale, round. Inhale, exhale. Good. Go into a hero. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, prayer. Inhale, exhale, arm in front of your chest. Inhale, exhale. Good. From here, place your right leg in the front of you. Inhale, open up your chest. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Now twist to the other side. Keep your balance. Now place both of your arms on the floor. Tug your toes and rotate your leg as it forms 45 degrees, both arms up, warrior one. Continue, warrior two, don't forget to breathe. Peaceful warrior. Now place your elbow on your thigh, extend the arm above your ear. Interlace your fingers behind you, torso down, arms up, devoted warrior. Warrior two, transition. Align your arms with your shin bone. twist. Now stretch your knee. Look at your fingertips. Trikonasana, triangle. Now a little bit more difficult, arms behind you. They eventually connect. Good. From here, go rest. One breath. Good. Now we will do the same thing with left leg in the front. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the other side. Both arms to the floor. Tug your toes. Rotate your leg for more stability. Both arms up. Look up. Warrior 1. Bend backwards if you want. Do what you can. Warrior 2. Peaceful warrior. Bend backwards gently. Now place your elbow on your thigh. Arm above your ear. Now devoted warrior. Now align your arm with your shin bone, twist. Stretch your knee. Trikonasana, triangle. Now a little bit more difficult, do what you can. If you cannot connect your arms, use a belt or strap. Go into a child pose. Now rest here for a few seconds, and when you feel you're ready, pull yourself up, tug your toes, incorporate the belly muscles, tie them up, arms in the front of the chest or above your head. Either way, keep your balance. Now transition into a forward bend. On the inhale, touch your knees, half bend. Exhale, touch your ankles. Inhale, half. Exhale, full bend. Press your chest down. Inhale. Exhale, press down. And now grab your big toes and walk towards the front of your mat. It's called gorilla walk. It's so much fun. Inhale, mountain pose. Bend backwards if you want. Exhale, prayer. Good. Now we will do sun salutations with a few modifications. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, prayer. Inhale, half bend. Exhale, full bend. Inhale, both arms on the floor, right leg behind you. Now go to plank. Adjust yourself. Now go for a lower plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Drop the hips down, up dog. Open up the chest, look up. Tug your toes, down dog. Now pedal and release the pressure. Now let's do dolphin, elbows on the floor. Try it. Go back to down dog. Now twist. Opposite arm goes to the opposite leg. Try it. Keep your balance. Pedal. Good. Now knee to nose. Knee to nose. Kick in the air. Good. And now walk your feet towards your arm. Inhale, half bend. Exhale, full bend. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, prayer. Let's do it to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, half bend. Exhale, full bend. Inhale, both arms on the floor, left leg behind you. Plank. Lower plank. Up dog. Look up. Down dog. Rest. Pedal. Good. Elbows on the floor. Dolphin. It's a great stretch. Down dog. Right arm on the left ankle or shin. Then the opposite. Good. Now pedal. And we will do knee to nose, kick in the air. Knee to nose, kick. Knee to nose, kick. Good. Drop your leg down and walk your feet towards your arms. And inhale, half bend. Exhale, full bend. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, prayer. Great. Now chair pose. Inhale, both arms up. On the exhale, place your right elbow on the outside of the left knee. Inhale, chair. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, both arms on the floor and just lay on your belly and gently massage it. Move from side to side. Massage the internal organs. Bend your right leg. Place it behind you. Let it touch the ground. Good. Massage. Do the same with left leg. Massage. Now both arms and both legs in the air. Good. Massage. Now raise your hips. Place your forehead on the ground. Extended puppy. Breathe. Rest. Pull yourself up. Tug your toes. Go into a garland position again. Incorporate your belly muscles. Arms above your head. Keep your balance. Now transition into Dandasana. Bend your right leg. Place your foot on the upper left thigh. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, go down. Let your forehead touch your kneecap. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, go down. If you're not there yet, don't worry, you will. It takes practice. Good. Now place your right foot on the outside of the left knee. Hug your knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. And now swing with your arms and do the same. Good. Now place your heel as close as you can to your buttocks. Twist and eventually connect your arms behind you. This is difficult. Do what you can. Now we switch legs. Inhale. Exhale. Torso down. Place your forehead on the kneecap. Or do what you can. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, go down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, go down. Good. Now, left foot in the front of the right knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. And again. Now, twist. Perfect. Really good twist and stretch for the shoulders. Now the difficult part. Do what you can. Again, if you have a strap or a belt, and if you twist well, it's going to be easier. Good. From here, we will lay on your back, hug your knees, and just make this circling motion with your knees. This is great massage for your internal organs. Now, bend your right leg, knee to nose. Left one, knee to nose. And again. And again. Hug your knees. Same circling motion. Massage those internal organs. And now happy baby. That's one of my favorite poses. Go back and forth and side to side. Good. Last twist. Left arm grabbing the right knee, twists. And now right arm grabbing the left knee, twist. Good. Bend both knees and let them swish swash from side to side like a windshield wipers. Now stretch your legs. Shavasana. Rest. Take a few deep breaths. And now go to a fetus position and think of the intention you've picked for today. See it as it's already happening. It will make you feel good, I promise. And when you think you're ready, gently push yourself up and come to a sitting position. Take a breath, adjust, and that's the end of our practice. Thank you, friends. Namaste. Enjoy your day.